Hi guys, I am Akansha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then welcome to my channel. If you're someone who loves crafting, want to know more about a crafting business or dive into my journey, then make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. So in today's video I have two things to share with you guys, and the first one is something that my Instagram family already knows about, but I wanted to share this news with all of you through this video. So it is about my blog. I wanted to start my blog from a very long time, but I didn't get the time and the energy to start working on that. But finally, I have completed that and it's ready for everyone to see, and I'm so happy about it. And the second news for the day is about new stock update on my Wonderwheel store. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. So make sure you're checking out the new stock there, and if you really like something, make sure you're buying that for yourself. So Diwali is coming up, and I thought when I was working on the list of the new stock that needs to go live, I thought why not share some Diwali updates with you guys. And yes, for this stock update, I have quite a number of things that can make your Diwali really special. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'll quickly start with the Diwali products first and then walk you through the other products that are up for sale. So the very first thing that we have for Diwali are these LED candles. So they are battery operated, as you can see. Oops. So these are battery operated. You need to insert the batteries here, and once the batteries are inserted and the switch is turned on, they will look something like this. So the next thing for Diwali is this cute little tea light or candle holder that we have here. You can use this to hold your tea lights or candles and place it anywhere in your homes, like drawing rooms, living areas, bedrooms. And we have silver and golden color both available in this, so you can check that out. Then we have this cute little heart cart candles. So for safety purpose during the delivery, we have this like this. So you need to attach the ring here and the second ring here. And it'll look something like this. And then you'll get this candle with this cart, and you can simply place it here. So we again have this in silver and golden, so you can grab it according to your own choice. So let's keep this aside. Now these are the three things that are up for the Diwali thing. Right now we are working on few more products for Diwali, and they will be uploaded very soon, and I'll let you guys know here only. But now let's start with the other things. The next thing that we have up for sale is this pretty photo frame which says happy birthday, and it comes with this cable which is a USB cable. So you need to attach this in any of the normal chargers, and when you attach the USB cable and switch it on, it will look something like this. So this is the perfect photo frame that you can give to someone whose birthday is just around the corner, and you can get any photo customized here. This photo can be changed and your photo can be put here. The next thing that we have for sale is this magic mirror with clock. So it again comes with a USB cable, but you can use this one by adding some batteries to it, This frame runs with just the USB cable and not the batteries, but this magic mirror can work with the USB as well as with the batteries, and once you turn the switch on, it works something like this. And last but not the least, we have this pretty dream catcher in stock, and it has a 12-inch diameter and it's approximately 24 inches in length, and it has this beautiful crochet work done in the hoop, and this is how this pretty dream catcher looks like. So this was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also make sure you're checking my blog out, and if you have any feedback or suggestions for that, make sure share that with me here or on my Instagram handle. I would be really happy if I can get some feedbacks on that. And also, if you want to buy any of these things, make sure you're checking out my store and buy these things before they go out of stock. And yes, this was pretty much it for today, and I'll see you super soon in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.